you will save a lot of time. I have taken DorianDotSlash's great Linux file structure explained video and turned it into a bite-sized crash course. Less water, more knowledge. While Windows developed from DOS, both Linux and macOS owe their evolution to Unix, with macOS further refining its heritage from the BSD variant of Unix. Unlike Windows, which employs backslashes for file directories, Linux utilizes forward slashes. Let's talk about Linux file structure in more details. Temporary directories are run, sys, and tmp. The boot directory holds all the essential files to start up your Linux system. Devices like USB sticks or network drives will appear in either the media or MNT folders. The snap folder stores snap packages. Think of the pros directory as your Linux system dashboard. It contains folders detailing every running process. You will also find crucial system-wide information, such as your CPU specification and system uptime. The var directory holds your system's dynamic data, logs, crash reports, and files that change as you use your Linux machine. Think of the dev directory as your computer's hardware store. Inside every part, hard drives, partitions, everything has its own unique file. It's how your system keeps track of things. The op directory is for add-on software packages. If you have manually installed things like Apache, Node.js, TensorFlow, they will reside here. The Edge directory holds system-wide configuration files. This is where you will find things like apt sources, which are essential for software updates. The SRV directory holds data meant to be served by your system. This includes website files, FTP content, and version control repositories. The bin directory is your system's toolbox. It has the essential commands for working with files, like ls, cat, and grep. The sbin directory has system tools for tasks like network setup, disk management, and even system repair. Essential code libraries live in lib, lib32, and lib64. These support the commands you will find in directories like bin and sbin. USR, this is where programs like Firefox, VS Code, Blender, and Spotify live when you install them. USR local, mostly for programs you build and install yourself from source code. USR bin and USR local bin, where the actual commands like ls, cat, grep are stored. USR lib, USR local lib hold the support code needed by those commands. USR share contains data files the programs use, things like icons, sounds, and documentation. USR src, the source code storage, important if you're a developer. Your Linux home directory is like your personal folder in Windows. It's usually located at home username. Inside you will find familiar folders like downloads, documents, plus some hidden ones. Their names start with a dot. Those hidden folders store settings for your programs. If you ever need to back up your preferences, make sure to include those. Root is the root user's home directory, and you need admin privileges to access it.
Dogs. Who owned dogs?
Oh my god. My friend. You're my best friend.